My name is Volker Koch, and I am the Managing Director at BFU. We produce precast concrete parts of all kinds, from double walls and slabs to structural elements such as balconies, stairs and facades, the whole spectrum. When selecting the software, we specifically chose ALLPLAN Precast because we believe that PlanBar and TIM, which we also use, are easy to learn but can still be used effectively in our company. We use PlanBar as a basic tool for designing precast elements, and it is permanently in use by every designer every day. The intuitive interface makes it an indispensable part of our office. My name is Gabriel Keller. I work at BFU as a civil engineer in the planning department, and I'm responsible for the digitalization of PlanBar and TIM. In PlanBar, I always find a solution to design complicated elements and get them into our automated production line. We use TIM work for stacking elements on the loading racks for scheduling. Furthermore, we use TIM for the work preparation during the production of solid walls.
The
Rütihof is a business park in Wädenswil on Lake Zurich in Switzerland. As the main contractor, we at METHABAU were responsible for the management from A to Z of the architecture, project planning and execution for all companies involved in the construction. My name is Marco Andermatt, and I am Head of Execution Planning. METHABAU is a main contractor, and we provide all services from a single source, from project development to planning and execution. BFU and METHABAU have been working together for several years. In the past, we drew the plans in 2D and sent them to BFU. They redrew the plans and sent them back to us for review. That was a tremendous amount of work. Today we do it in such a way that we exchange information via the IFC interface. The Rütihof has a bus parking hall for 60 large buses, including a car wash, a workshop with a ram lift, a 3-story beverage store with a pallet lift, 10 truck docking stations, a climbing hall with an 18-meter-high climbing wall, and over 6,000 meters of running routes, which are suitable for all Olympic disciplines.
Und ist für alle olympischen Disziplinen geeignet.
We planned and produced about 350 truckloads in 9 months, which included 10,000 square meters of slabs, 5,500 square meters of core insulated double walls and 4,000 square meters of normal double walls, 50 stair elements and 1,100 square meters of solid walls. It was a lot that we managed here, and not a single element was planned any other way. Everything was planned via BIM, via PlanBar, and TIM was also used completely. So this was a really great project for us. We have used BIM 100% on the Rütihof project. BIM is the digital twin and, as we say, the mother of all plans. When we generate a plan, it is already old by the next morning, whereas BIM is always up to date. The big advantage of BIM is that you have complete control over the construction process, the costs, the collisions, and all the companies can then see how and what comes next. The software in BIM does not play a role at all. No matter what software you use for designing, what is important here is a structured way of working and model-based planning, and then you can put the individual models together like this. The Rütihof project is a perfect example of the open BIM idea. BIM has no boundaries.